What's up, guys? I'm super excited today because we have a great announcement on Mobincube. We have just released a new functionality, and that functionality we've been years wanting to release it, and most of you have been years asking us to release this functionality. So you want to know which functionality I'm talking about? I will tell you in just a second. In-app purchases. From now on, you can start selling digital goods inside your app built with Mobincube. I guess you knew that on Mobincube you could start selling physical goods or services using PayPal, okay? But you were not allowed by Google to sell digital goods using PayPal. Okay, there's a restriction on Google Play and also Apple, that in case you want to sell digital goods like access to some sections of your app or videos or like removing ads inside your app, things like that, you had to use the payment gateway provided by Google and Apple. Okay, so in order to do that, you needed us to develop this new functionality. For years we've been wanting to release this functionality, but it was not compatible with our business model. Okay, but finally we've did it. Okay, so it's very simple. Okay, you just need to use the action purchase. Okay, and then as a parameter, you need to put the ID of the product that you want to sell. Okay, and this is going to be like released in several stages. Okay, so in the first stage, it's only going to be compatible with Android. We will do iOS compatibility soon. Okay, but the thing is that since most of you only focus on Android, we didn't want to wait for the iOS functionality to become available. Okay, so that's why we've released the Android functionality now. Okay, and also there are two more stages inside Android. Okay, because at this point there's not too much possibility on Mobincube to add logic to your app. Okay, so the thing is that you cannot do things inside your app depending on the value of some other things. Okay, for example, in case this product has been bought, you cannot react and make different screens depending on that, right? So in the first stage, you can use this new functionality to sell the possibility to remove ads inside your app. Okay, I will explain how. And I guess very soon, in 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, I don't know exactly, but very soon we will release a super new feature on Mobincube, and you will be able to add logic to your app. Okay, so you will be able to play some buttons or sections on the app only if a product has been bought, for example. Okay, so I will explain that once that functionality becomes available. Okay, but from now on, I mean for now, you can start selling removing ads in your app. Okay, so if you want to sell that, first, you have to go to your Google Play Developer Console and you have to apply for a merchant account. Okay, so if you've never sold apps, okay, I guess you don't have that feature on your account. Okay, but it's very simple. You just need to apply for that. And then after you are authorized by Google, then you just need to add products. Okay, so in the Play Store feature section, okay, where you put all the descriptions, screenshots, and all that stuff. So below that section, you will see like something called integrated products in your app, something like that. Okay, so you just need to go there and start adding products. It's very simple. You just need to put a title, I think a description, and yeah, and then set a price for the product. Okay, you can set any ID. Okay, but if you want to sell removing ads, you have to add this product with the ID remove_ads. Okay, so if you've used that ID, then the app will know that whenever you sell that product, then the app knows that it has to stop showing ads. Okay, it's very simple. So you go to Mobincube and you can add the action. You will see that there's a new action called purchase. Okay, so you can just put that action on any button or any menu option, things like that. Okay, and as a parameter, you only need to put the ID of the product you want to sell. Okay, so if you use the action purchase and the parameter is remove underscore ads, then if somebody clicks on that button, then the Google Play window will pop up with all the instructions to do the payment. Okay, so if the payment is successful, then the app will stop showing ads. Okay, and that's it. It's very simple. Okay, so I will keep you posted as soon as we launch the other features that will make this more powerful. Okay, the things with the logic. It's going to be filters for the element. Okay, so elements like images, tables, or text, things like that, will only be placed on the screen in case some condition fits. Okay, so for example, if this product has been bought, then show this button. Okay, so with this feature, you will be able to start selling like content in the app. Okay, for example, if you are making a cooking recipes app, you can give like 100 for free, but if they want more, they have to buy this new product called more receipts or full version or any other name. Okay, so if that product has been bought, you can place a new button on the screen to go to this extra 1000 recipes, for example. Okay, so very simple, but super useful. So yeah, in case you want to know more and be updated as soon as we release these new capabilities of the app, then subscribe to this channel and I will keep you posted. Okay, so that's it for today. I hope you start using this action, the action purchase, because it's going to boost your revenue in your app. Okay, and yeah, and send me comments in case you find it useful and in case you use it and how is it going, are you improving your revenue, that kind of things. Okay, or if there's any problem, you can also make comments here and I will try to help you. Okay, so that's it. See you in the next video.